Google Meet is a great solution for online video conferencing. Let's take a look at how to do this. So first, you'll need to access Google Meet. If you go into Google and click on the apps waffle, scroll down until you see Meet and select that. Then go ahead and click Join or Start Meeting. That will give you this prompt to put in a name for the meeting, and you could name this a class or a date or whatever makes sense for you. Then click Continue. Then go ahead and click Join Now. That will bring up the access information where you can get the link. So you can go ahead and highlight the link and copy it if you're going to attach it in Schoology or Seesaw as a link, or you can copy this information and it will also bring in the PIN number and the dial-in information. Then go ahead and post a link for student access. If you're a Seesaw user, you could potentially use the link and add that for kids. If you are a Schoology user, you could post it on a page or post it as a link, whichever meets your needs. And here you can see as a page all the information in there, including the dial-in information. You can access, once you're into Meet, you can access attachments and meeting information by clicking the name of the meeting down in the bottom left. Here you will get the access information, including the link, as well as any attachments that might appear in your Google meeting. To access the features and the settings, click on the three dots over on the right-hand side. That will pop open this menu. And you can see that there's lots of different options in there for going full screen, changing the layout of your page. You can turn on captions. There's a setting to manage your audio and video settings, and things like that. Can be very helpful for you during the meeting. If you'd like to use the chat feature, click on Chat up at the top. Down at the bottom, you can type in your message. When you hit enter, your chat appears on the string of conversation. You can also click on People, and this will allow you to pin, mute, or remove students. So if I click on Tyrone here, I see the pin, the microphone, and the minus. So this is to pin them so they stay on the side. I can mute them, or I can click the minus, which actually removes them from the session. Very valuable feature of Google Meet is that you can present your screen. So if down on the bottom you click on Present Now, an option will pop up where you choose what to present, either your entire screen or just one of your windows. Click that. Here I've chosen entire screen. This will pop up. I need to click on this to select what I am going to share. Click Share, and then my screen will be presented. And there I can navigate in and out of tabs in my browser. When I'm finished, I can either click on End here or down at the bottom to stop sharing. If I want to record a session, I would want to do this right away at the beginning. I would click on the three dots to access my menu, and then there is a Record Meeting option. Click that, and then it will ask for your consent. Go ahead and click Accept, and you'll know it's recording because this REC will appear up in the top left-hand corner of your screen. When you're finished with your session and you close it out, your meeting will automatically be saved into your Google Drive. So if you go to your Google Drive, you will find a folder called Meet Recordings, and inside of there you will find the recording for the meeting. If you've set this up as a calendar invite, the recording will automatically attach itself to that calendar appointment. If somebody comes back into the session later, it will also appear down in the bottom left-hand corner with the meeting information. The student experience will be something like this. So students will access the link wherever the teacher posted it. In this example, at Schoology, the student would click on this. That will bring up Google Meet. It'll open it for them. They would click Join Now. Then when they're in there, the students will see something like this, their friendly teacher greeting them on the other side. The students will see, when they click the People tab, they'll see the other students who are in the meeting. This is what the students see when they click on the Chat tab. They'll be able to communicate over here via chat with either other members of the class or the teacher. Some other helpful things, just reminders and features. Down in the bottom left-hand corner, again, they can click on the name of the session, and that's where the files will be, as well as the recording afterward. There is closed captioning, which is pretty good. If you click this, it actually puts the closed captioning along the bottom as you speak. So if you're recording it, the closed captions will be recorded as well. You can turn off your microphone here, you can exit the meeting, or you can turn off your camera over on the side. If you come over here and click the pin, you will pin this to the side so it remains there. If you click the microphone here, it mutes that person as well. So that's a quick overview of Google Meet. Hopefully you find this helpful and a good solution for live conferencing with your students or staff members remotely.